Hi guys, I am making this video so that I can show you a little bit about how to use Scratch. Scratch is a cool program and website that was developed by the people at MIT in order to help make coding easier for us and to teach us how to program without letting us make too many mistakes. What I'd like you to do first is to please sign into the website and create your own account. Please create your own account and create your username without using your real name in the username. I did because I'm the teacher and that's okay, but you guys please don't use your real name. So make up something like SpongeBob, 27 or whatever. So once you do that, you're going to come back out here and you're going to click on the create button. And this is going to bring you into the Scratch editor. So what you have here is this is your sprite. It's your character that you're going to control in your program. Then the white part is the background. This over here is what your game is going to look like. And then over here on this side, this is what's called the script. This is where you give instructions to the sprite and make it move. So our sprite is a cat here, and what I want to do is make it move. So I can drag a block over onto the script, and then if I double click on it, the cat will do what it says. So it's pretty simple. There are different kinds of blocks that you can bring over, like this. And now, for example, it almost looks a little bit like we could make the cat walk, possibly. We could also make it a little bit more like a game if we use some of the events and we say when the green flag is clicked. We could also say forever, and then we could say go to mouse pointer, and then if we click the green button, we can now control the cat with our mouse, which is kind of cool. So in order to really get started, you want to do a tutorial. They give you some great instructions in the program. You're going to access that tutorial by coming over here and clicking on this little tiny question mark. When you click on that, you'll see that there's a bunch of choices. If you've never done Scratch before, you want to start with this Getting Started with Scratch tutorial here. If you've done Scratch before, you can go ahead and pick one of these other tutorials. Animate your name, make it fly, make music, or favorite things. Please don't do any of the games today. We'll start on those next class. But so once you pick your tutorial that you're going to do, you're just going to simply follow the directions. They give you an image, and then you're going to click on the step. You can click here to see all the steps that there are in this video, in this tutorial, and there's 13 of them. So to start moving, you're going to just follow the directions and bring a block over. Then on the next step, you're going to do what it says here. You're going to click on sound and bring the drum over. It says make sure your computer speakers are on, but it would be better if you please use your headphones. So make sure your headphones are plugged in and make sure your speakers are not on because you'll drive your classmates crazy, okay? So, and then next, let's start a dance. And you're just going to follow these instructions until you get all the way to the end. You want to make sure you read every single step here. And when you are done with it, then you click next and go on to the next page. And you're going to go through all 13 steps and end up at the end here. And then when you're done, what you're going to do in order to turn in your project is you're going to give it a title here, and you'll say my first project. Then you can click on this share button. And if there's any instructions, if you want to tell me to click on something or press a certain key, you can do that. Now you can see that it's shared. It says right here, shared September 26th, 2016. And then in order to turn it in for me on Google Classroom, I need you to copy this link and paste that link into your Google Classroom assignment so that I know that you've done the tutorial. So you're going to do at least 2 tutorials, the getting started one plus 1 more, or if you've already a little bit more comfortable with Scratch, you can do 2 of the other tutorials like Make It Fly and Make Music. So sorry I couldn't be with you today. Have a great day, and let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye-bye.